Hello guys, welcome to the new tutorial. In this video, I will create a sign up and login system. Today I finished the sign up system, so I will make it now and I will complete the login system in the next video. First of all, we need a database. What is database? Database is a base in which there are some data you saving. You can create a database for free using the Firebase if you want. Check the previous tutorial series about how to make a friend system in Godot. In the first video of these tutorial series, I show you how to make a database in Firebase. Okay, let's start. Create a node and name it Sign Up. Now add the node HTTP request. Okay, now create a script and to make it works. Connect the node HTTP request in script. Write the code on ready var username, line edit equals get underscore node, username. This is the line edit named username in which you can write a text. On ready var password, line edit equals get underscore node, password. This is the line edit name, password. On ready var notification, line edit equals get underscore node, notification. This is a label which I named notification. And now set the HTTP request node in script by writing the code on ready var HTTP, line edit equals get underscore node, HTTP request. Now create a string variable, name it database and set as value the URL of database. I'm using the database from my previous tutorial series about how to make a friend system in Godot. Now connect the sign up button in script. In the sign up button signal, write this code to check if we typed a username or a password.
Now we need the data that we will save in database. Put it in a dictionary. So write username, username, text and password, password, text. Now we need to save the data in database. So write the code HTTP request database headers SSL validation is false and a method. To save the data, use the method patch. At the end, save the data by writing to_JSON data. When the sign-up completed, we need a notification to say that the sign-up succeed. In the HTTP signal, write these lines. Match response _code. 200. 200 is the successful code. Notification. Text equals, new account created. $404. 404 is the error code. Notification. Text equals, error. Guys, don't forget in the request line to write +JSON and the path you want to save the data in database. Okay guys, it works now. Let's try to create one more account. Yes, it works, we saved the account. I will make the next part for login system very soon. Until the next video, enjoy this.
Okay guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Leave a like.